trash-filled van.
Oh no! Kids, please don't throw trash inside. Oh dear, this is terrible. I can't keep driving like this. I need TinkerBot's help.
Welcome. Ugh, that smells so bad. What is that smell? What happened to you?
I'm really sorry. The kids didn't clean up their trash. Now my bus looks like this.
Oh, I see. I'll help you clean it very well. Let's go to the washroom. Dirt level. Very serious. Dirt type. Oh my goodness. I will clean up all the trash. First, let's sort the trash. Here. 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 And here. Sorting done. Now use the vacuum cleaner to suck up dust and small trash. Next, scrape off the dirty stains. Clean the inside. Now spray deodorizer. Cleaning time. First, rinse with clean water. Add some bubbles. Rinse again. Then dry with the electric fan. Finally, wax and polish.
Wow, I'm super clean now. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You should teach your little passengers to throw trash into the trash bin.
Okay. I have to go now. I need to pick up other kids. Goodbye, TinkerBot.
Keep clean. Goodbye.